How can you profit with digital currencies without spending hours staring at charts or freaking out over the market every 10 minutes? If you're new to investing or just not into all the technical stuff, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Eleonora. Today I'll show you 6 easy ways to invest in digital assets and start growing them, even if you have zero experience. Give them a try after watching and don't forget to share with your friends. And before we dive in, subscribe to our channel, like this video and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on other interesting content. Let's get started! The first thing beginners are often told is to buy coins, hold them in their wallets and sell them when the price goes up. Not a bad strategy, but thousands of coins are on the market now. How do you figure out what to buy, how much and what proportions? Don't worry, we've done all the analysis for you and created crypto bundles. Crypto bundles are ready-made investment portfolios of digital assets, already curated and balanced. You pay once and get 5 or 6 top-performing coins within a specific niche. On Axma.com, you can choose from bundles of meme coins, market leaders, or trending coins related to AI, DeFi, and the metaverse. Our latest AI crypto bundles show the average growth of 2,500% in just 1 quarter. To get a bundle, just register on Axma.com, complete a quick verification, pick the bundle you want, and pay directly with your bank card. That's it. Your balanced crypto portfolio is ready and waiting in your wallet. So, you've bought your first coins. Now you can wait for them to grow and sell, or you can start multiplying them right away with the Earn program from Axma.com. This is the second way you can make money on digital assets without any experience, technical analysis, or spending hours studying charts. Just head to the program page using the link in the description, subscribe to the assets you want, and that's it. They'll start earning for you no matter what's happening in the market. Right now, there are over 30 assets available for subscriptions with flexible terms of 30, 60, 90 and 180 days. The longer the term, the bigger the bonus. During the selected period, your funds will be locked and at the end, they'll return to your balance with interest. For example, you can earn up to 5% per year with Bitcoin, 6% with Ethereum and up to 15% with USD-pegged stablecoins. And all this happens without trading or analytical skills, just by holding assets in your account. Pretty awesome, right? If you decide to choose and buy coins on your own, I recommend starting with a dollar cost averaging or DCA strategy. It's simple. Just invest a fixed amount into crypto regularly, like every month. Split your investment between you, promising assets, and reliable, well-known coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. With this strategy, you'll end up buying coins at their average price, which is often better than buying the same amount all at once. But be cautious. If a coin was worth 1 cent 6 months ago and is now $1, its growth potential might already be maxed out. It could be a good idea to shift your focus to something else. DCA also helps you avoid the stress and emotions that dominate the market. You won't feel pressured by panic or hype. After all, emotional investment decisions rarely turn out well. It's better to act with clear mind, and DCA is your ally in that. Wondering when is the best time to buy or sell crypto? We've got the answer in this video. Check it out via the link. So you're investing in digital assets, seeing your first results and probably thinking about sharing it with your friends, right? And not just share, but invite them to join too, because you can also earn rewards for that. For example, with the Axma.com referral program, you can earn up to 25% of the trading fees from your friends' trades and 40% if those trades involve our exchange token EXM. There is no limit to how many friends you can invite, just share the link with anyone interested and you'll start earning rewards from every transaction you make, starting from very next day. All you need is an account on our exchange and your unique referral link. Create it using the link in the video description, then send it to your friends or share it on your social media. Another way to earn in the crypto world without preparation and sometimes even without initial investments, is through bounty programs, airdrops, and contests. Bounty programs and airdrops are token giveaways done by crypto projects. The difference is that in bounty programs you earn tokens by completing tasks that help promote or improve the project, like translating content, testing, or finding bugs. In airdrops, you can get tokens for free or with minimal actions, like following a project's social media. Where can you find bounty programs and airdrops? The best option is to follow the social media accounts of crypto projects and keep up with crypto news, like on CoinMarketCap. You can also visit Airdrop Alert, which specializes in this area and even has a newsletter with the hottest opportunities. Another great place is the Bitcoin Talk forum. Don't be scared of its old-school design, it still works great, and the Bounties altcoin section regularly posts new opportunities. Plus, you can participate in contests run by both crypto projects and exchanges. For example, Axe.com has trading competitions where you can join and win crypto rewards. We announce them on our blog and social media, so be sure to follow us. And finally, starting in 2024, you can earn from crypto by investing in it like stocks through ETFs. An ETF is a fund or an exchange where you can get shares tied to the crypto price without actually buying and storing coins yourself. Now there are ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum, but soon we might see similar funds for other coins and eventually even for entire crypto portfolios. Why is this an excellent way for beginners to make money in crypto? Because it's simple and convenient. You don't have to figure out how to use different platforms or even create a crypto wallet since you're not directly owning or trading crypto. Plus, it's much safer since you're not holding crypto. Your funds won't be at risk of hacker attack and you won't lose them if you somehow lose the keys to your wallet. A professional investment company will manage the money. Additionally, ETFs are a more transparent tool because they're traded on traditionally regulated exchanges. So, as an investor, you have more protection. To invest in an ETF, you'll need to choose a broker, just like with regular stock investments. For example, you can use eToro, Interactive Brokers, or Fidelity. Then you can log in into their trading app, find the ETF using its ticker symbol, decide how many shares you want, and pay for them. After that, just watch the market and buy or sell your shares depending on how things are going. And now that's all for today. Share which method you liked, which you'll try, and which has already worked for you and brought in some profit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click the bell notification below. Bye bye!